Should you take the first offer that comes in? My answer is no, no, no. I always get a little sick to my stomach when I hear a seller say that they sold their house in just one day. And here's why. If you take the very first offer that comes to the table, you're not allowing your home to be exposed to everyone. Hi, I'm Lei Villar-Cisneros, founder of Homes by Lei and broker with Right at Home Realty Inc. The goal is for your home to be seen by the masses and then to make sure you're getting the highest price and the best terms for your home. Many times, the home is highly desirable or it's a type of home that is high demand. You'll have multiple offers, which typically equates to the home selling for more money and for the best terms for you as a seller. Don't just take the very first offer that comes in. Make sure that your home is properly exposed and marketed to ensure that you get the maximum return on your investment. But right now, with what's happening in the economy, this might not be the case, because there's less buyer that can actually qualify. You want to think also about things as far as what type of job they have and is the type of job that they're going to be secure, so that you know that you will stay in escrow and they will not be laid off. So what do? You work with a qualified agent who has the experience in selling and knows what's happening, and that is us. And remember that at Homes by Lei, we'll make your real estate dreams come home.